Underforest.
All right, here we are down in the garage. Move the car over there, so I have more room to work on the bike over here. Doing a little bit of prep work first. I put a blanket over the tank, so in case anything fell or I need to lay like the controls and stuff down and don't scratch up the paint job. I got a blanket back here for the pieces, for the fairing pieces that I take off, and this is hopefully the last time you'll see the bars like this. Like I said, I have the Kong, the Mighty Kong in flat black from Witch Doctors. And first to get started, do a little bit of prep work and prep work. So what we got here, this video may be a little funky because my GoPro battery died, so I had to switch to my phone. So this is where we're at right now. Well, where I'm at. Craig's on his way. Don't know when he's gonna be here, but I got ahead and got started. I couldn't wait. So first thing I did, I started with the hand grips. Taking everything off the handlebars, getting all that stuff off. Put it, as soon as I took something off, I put it back together. So I remember where all the bolts went, so I didn't lose any bolts, all that good stuff. Same thing with the windshield. And also the throttle side, brake side, all that good stuff. It all came off pretty smoothly. So I took it all off, put everything back together so I remember all the bolts went. Next thing I did was take off the headlight. The headlight was right here. Took that out, and then took out the speaker grills. And there was, I think, 8 bolts total around the edge. 8 bolts total that went down around the edge. You can see the light through the holes there. Took those off. Then all I did was take the front of the bottom of the fairing and pop up, and it popped right off. So this is everything I've taken off so far. There's the front fairing, all the bolts are there. There's the windshield, headlight, speaker grills. There's the old grips. New grips I'm not gonna be able to use because it doesn't have the throttle cable adapter. So I'm gonna have to send these back and get different ones that will work. But other than that, that's where I'm at. So next thing I'm doing is I'm gonna start disconnecting all these wires. So what I've started doing and what Witch Doctors suggested to do was go through and label everything before you disconnect it all and pull it all apart. So that's what I started to do. So here's display wire. Don't know what this goes to, so I just label it 1, 1, this one 2, 2. I got my headlight wires here. These are the turn signals. They say right hand turn, left hand turn, so those are easy. And now I'm about to start disconnecting everything right here, and then I will take out this bolt, this bolt, this bolt, and one more bolt back here. Take those bolts out, and the whole dash should just pull right off. So once I get all these wires disconnected and I get the front dash off, I'll shoot another shot of it of just the bars, and that's when I'll get to the point where I'll start sticking the other bars on. So yeah, that's where we're at. All right, this is where we're at. So as you can see, my dash is lit back up, and all the wires are reconnected. Everything that was disconnected is now reconnected. Besides the headlight, obviously, because I haven't got the rest of the front fairing back on, but everything else is there. there is my left and right turn signal. Yeah, it's right hand turn, left hand turn for this one. And then, yeah. So, put everything back in, do a quick op test, and all our lights are, everything's back on, everything's back reading. So the next thing I'll do is I will put the cover with front fairing, make sure it goes back on smooth, and then windshield, and then the headlight, and then the windshield, and then start on the handlebars, like putting the controls back on. I think that's probably going to be the hardest part. So, but so far, everything's going smooth. We are just about 2 hours in. Give you a little time frame. I know I said in the last one I was about an hour and a half, hour 45 in. We're about 2 hours in. So, yeah, there we are. All right, here we are. Craig's here finally. Where we're at right now is we are done. Everything is done. Adjusted, throttle's back on, clutch back on. Everything's back, adjusted to where it needs to be. Remember a little bit ago when I said everything was going smooth? Everything was going smooth until I started putting everything back on. We forgot to reroute the wires for both controls, and they were stuck under the bars when I put everything back on. So me and Craig had to take everything back off and redo it all. But as an end result, as you can see, everything is back on, tightened up, and there they are. Looks much better, much cleaner. Clears up all of this area right here that had a bunch of shit there because the other bars. Just give her a good wash, and that's about it.
Looks good.
Looking good as always. Get ready to wash the bikes and then go ride, test ride, see how it feels.
Forest.